Alexander and Trump go to the forest and see an egg. They break the egg. A baby dinosaur comes out of the egg. They are very happy and they become friends with the dinosaur, and they bring the meat and put it to the dinosaur. One day, their father sees them